Hornbills are large tropical birds known for the prominent horn-like structure on their bills, found in Africa, Asia, playing vital roles as seed dispersers in rainforests. Famous for unique nesting habits where females seal themselves in tree hollows. They are primarily frugivores, eating fruits but also insects and small animals, with species like the great hornbill being large and colorful. While the Indian grey hornbill is common in urban areas, many species are threatened due to loss of habitat, with India home to 9 species.